Viewers, today's topic is consignment accounts. Consignment account is slightly distinct from usual business accounts. What is the meaning of consignment? Consignment is an agency agreement under which a manufacturer or a wholesaler sends his goods at his own risk to his agent in a different place for the purpose of sale. The person sending the goods is called consignor, and the person to whom the goods are sent is called consignee. Main features of consignment transactions. Consignment of goods is not a sale. It is only an agency agreement to sell. The consignee sells goods at the risk of on behalf of the consignor. The consignee gets only a commission and his expenses are also reimbursed. Periodically, the consignee sends a statement called account sales to the consignor and remit the balance amount due to him. Account sales is nothing but a statement of account containing details of goods sold with quantity and value, expenses incurred, commission payable, and net amount due to consignor. Now, let us see how to record consignment transactions in the books of consignor. Generally, the consignor maintains three accounts, namely consignment account, consignee's account, goods sent on consignment account. Let us analyze consignment account. This is like a profit and loss account. Value of goods sent, expenses paid by consignor as well as consignee, and also commission payable to consignee are debited to consignment account. Then value of goods sold by the consignee and the value of unsold stock of goods, if any, are credited to consignment account. The difference between debit side total and credit side total of consignment account represents profit. Consignment will show a profit if the credit side total is more, and it will be a loss if debit side total is more. Consignment profit is transferred to profit and loss account by the following journal entry. Consignment account debit to profit and loss account. In case of loss, reverse entry will be passed. Consignee account is nothing but a personal account. This account is debited when the goods are sold, and consignee's accounts are credited for advances received, expenses paid by him, commission due to him, and the net amount received. Then lastly, goods sent on consignment account. Value of goods sent is debited to this account. After consignment sale is over, this account is debited with the value of goods by transfer to trading account. Now let us see model journal entries in the case of the books of consignor. See, it is by order. Dispatch of goods, expenses paid by consignor, expenses paid by check, then advance received from consignee, advance received in the form of bill from consignee, discounting of bill, then goods sold by consignee, then expenses paid by consignee, then commission payable to him, then transfer of consignment profit, then final payment received, then last entry will be transfer of goods sent on consignment account to trading account. Seasonal ledger accounts will be consignment account. You can see from this value of goods debited, expenses debited, commission debited, sale value credited, stock value credited. Consignee account, sale value debited to his account, advance received credited to his account, expenses paid credited to his account, commission due to him credited to his account. When the final payment is received from him, his account is credited. Then goods sent on consignment account is only an adjustment entry. When the goods are dispatched, this account is credited. Finally, it is transferred to trading account by debiting goods sent on consignment account. Let us see the illustrative problem in my next class.